Alright. Got a broken plastic. Super common on this game. A lot of times this guy will be broken, he's not, so that's good. So this is just cosmetic. We can look and see if we can find some replacements and what they might cost. These buildings are a lot of times cracked. Most of yours are in really good shape, which is good because they're almost impossible to find from what I remember.
Break the window.
I think you have there's a crack here, but it should be fine. It's probably been there for years. This piece is in good shape. These ramps are always cracked. These guys right here. The last one I had was worse. They were cracked up in here. This is in good shape. Sometimes this is bent up, beaten from this ramp coming up and the ball hitting it and not being aligned and just bashing this. So this is in good shape. This is super normal. The Mylar stops here in the playfield. The Mylar kept the playfield in good shape. The Mylar stops here, and then the decals have some wear. There's some playfield wear. That's super normal. Some slight insert wear there. Not a big deal. We'll take everything off the playfield. Everything that comes off the top, I'll take off. All new rubber. Replace any bulbs that are out. And we'll clean the whole playfield. The display, the game plays fine from what I've seen. Display flickering is not just the phone, it's actually flickering. And it's because the power supply board, the high voltage part of the power supply board needs to be reworked. So I can get a high voltage repair kit for this and replace some capacitors and transistors and resistors and fix that, and that will fix this. The other alternative is to totally bypass the high voltage part of the power supply and put a low voltage 5-volt LED display in here. There would be a new display. It would last probably forever. It's also going to be much more expensive. Off the top of my head, maybe $180 to $230. I have to check. Somewhere in that range. Reworking this would probably be, with parts and shipping, $50. But then you still have the older display, which to me, as I'm looking at it, looks fine. I'm not seeing any segments out. I have to do a display test to double check. They've already got the alkaline batteries off, so we don't have to worry about batteries leaking down the board. It's got a coin cell battery. Don't have to worry about that. All the other boards look good.
Break the window.
So I don't see any burnt connectors that we'll need to replace. So I don't think it'll take too much. Just need to decide if we want to rebuild that power supply, keep the original display, or bypass the high voltage and use an LED display.